Hello everyone, welcome back to Task Dev YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to create a mini calendar using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. So this is what we'll be creating in this video. So today's date is January 28, 2025. So let's get started. First guys, I need to say you something. This project is a small beginner level project. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes to complete. So please watch till the end to see the final results. So index.html, we're going to create shift exclamation tab, styles, link.css, and we're going to give h1 is going to be, before we text it, we are going to have p elements. P elements are done. We're going to have 3 p elements. And guys, all the p elements are going to be inside a div element. So div class content, and we close the div close this. Guys, this is for the CSS, HTML. Let's get started with the JavaScript, CSS. Okay, we go here, margin of 0, padding of auto, width of 100% and height of 100 viewport, and display is going to be flex. That's it here. Now we are going to code our div, width of 50, height of 100 viewport, background color of white, display flex, justify content and align items, and flex direction of column, and that's it here. And enter. The last bit is going to be, guys, our p element is going to have a font size of 20 pixels and font weight of bold, color of 33 and margin bottom of 20 pixels, and that's it. Now we are going to go to our h1. H1 is going to have a font size of 40 pixels, font weight of bold, color of 33 and margin bottom, and that's it. Now we have created our HTML, CSS. Now let's get started with our JavaScript. So guys, it's going to contain around 5 lines of JavaScript. So let's go it. First of all, we're going to create consist equal document is going to be dot, is not going to be cube selector. We'll do cube selector, but it's not going to be cube selector. And we're going to have font. Cube selector is going to be cube selector all. Okay, we enter, and we're going to have a console.log is going to be, guys, consist, and inside that we're going to have a consist variable of font family, font size, font color, and it's going to consist this. Going to be a value of 0, and we're going to have console.log family font and all, and new font and new font style, and this is it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We have created a mini calendar using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's see the final outcome of this video. I hope you guys are excited as me. Let's right click, show preview. Okay guys, so we created this mini calendar using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next. Peace.